Imagine I hand you a shiny magic box. You ask it, "What's 2 plus 2?" And it lights up. 4. You ask, "Tell me a silly joke," and it spits out. A joke about a banana riding a skateboard. Boom. Laughs. That's kind of what AI feels like. It's a magic box that guesses really, really well. But here's the trick. It's not magic. It's math. Inside the box are tiny rule followers, like super fast note takers. They look at tons of examples to find patterns. If I feed the box 1 million pictures of cats and dogs, it starts noticing. Cats usually have triangle ears. Dogs come in more shapes. Next time you ask, cat or dog? It makes a smart guess. AI learns by practice, just like you. Think training wheels. First, it wobbles. You give it feedback. Nope, that's a dog, not a cat. Over time, less wobble, better balance, better guesses. But here's what AI isn't. It's not a human brain. It doesn't understand feelings or the whole story the way you do. It's like a parrot that's great at patterns. If the examples it learned from were messy or unfair, the box can copy those mistakes. That's called bias. So we have to teach the box carefully and check its work. How do you talk to the magic box? You give it a clear spell, called a prompt. Explain photosynthesis like I'm 8. The clearer your spell, the better the answer. Garbage in, garbage out. Sometimes the box gets overexcited and makes stuff up. That's called a hallucination. It's like when your friend tells a story and adds a dragon for extra spice. Fun? Yes. True? Maybe not. So for important things, homework, safety, double check with a real book, a trusted website, or an adult. Where do you meet this magic box? When a game sets the difficulty just right. When a streaming app recommends your new favorite cartoon. When a camera blurs the background for a perfect selfie. When a translator turns hello into hola instantly. Can AI do everything? Nope. It's amazing at patterns, chess, spelling, spotting cats. But it's not great at common sense or kindness. That's your superpower. You decide what's fair, what's kind, what's true. Want to build your own tiny magic box? Start simple. Collect examples. Tell the box the goal. Test it. Fix mistakes. Repeat. That's literally how scientists and engineers do it. And here's a pro tip. Be the boss of the box. Set rules. Never share personal info. Ask before posting. If you're not sure, ask a human. Good rules make good magic. So, AI is a pattern-finding helper that learns from examples, guesses smartly, and sometimes goofs up. Use it to learn, to create, to explore, and use your human brain to guide it. Because the best team is you plus the box, with you in charge. All right, go try a safe prompt today. Ask it to write a poem about your pet as a space explorer. Then check the facts, add your flair, and share it with someone you love. That's real magic.